Welcome to Easy Quick Meal. If you are craving classic comfort food, you are in the right place. Today we are making homemade Salisbury steak with mushroom gravy. This easy and quick Salisbury steak recipe shows you step by step how to create perfectly tender beef patties and a savory, luscious Salisbury steak gravy from scratch. It's truly one of the best easy Salisbury steak recipes for a weeknight dinner idea or a cozy family meal. Get ready to make this traditional Salisbury steak. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple dinner recipes and comfort food ideas. For the steak, I have 1 pound lean ground beef, 1 egg, 1/3 cup panko breadcrumbs that I add about 2 tablespoons milk to it. Let it sit until the breadcrumbs soften. 1 teaspoon Grey Poupon, 2 teaspoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, black pepper and salt to taste, half teaspoon garlic powder, you can use grated garlic, 1 teaspoon onion powder, you can also use grated onion, 1 teaspoon chicken powder or chicken bouillon. You will also need 2 to 3 tablespoons butter to cook the steak later. Put all ingredients in any order you wish on the ground beef and mix. This is what the softened breadcrumbs look like. Then divide the mixture into 6 sections. I just divide it this way and then I shape each section into a ball, then flatten it. Heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons butter in the pan and put the steak. When the bottom of the steak is brown, flip the steak and continue cooking. When the other side is brown, flip one more time. I like to fully cook my steak and not make it cook in the gravy, but that's a personal preference. For the gravy, I have 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, about 3 cloves, 1/2 cup sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cups beef broth, 1 teaspoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 1 tablespoon cornstarch diluted in 2 tablespoons water. Cook the chopped garlic in the pan where you cook the steak. Cook briefly until you can smell the garlic and then add the sliced mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms until it is almost done, then add the broth. Add the chicken powder, ketchup, and Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Add the cornstarch solutions. Cook until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Add the steak to the sauce and cook briefly, making sure to cover the entire steak with the sauce, then turn off the heat. Take the steak out from the pan and pour the gravy on top. You can serve with mashed potato, mac and cheese, and steam or saute vegetables. If you are trying to reduce your carb intake like I do, I just serve it with vegetables. I want to show you how tender the steak is. You can also cut it using a fork. Thank you for watching and see you next time.